YouTube, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. All right, it's been a while since I did a POV driving video, but I'm going to show y'all. This is what I use. A lot of people have asking me, what head mount do you use? But I use the one from GoPro. They do have different ones out there, like you can buy from Amazon or eBay. But I got mine from GoPro at the, I think it was Walmart. Yeah. But anyways, and I got a sock also, or a what's this called, what's this thing called? Yeah, not a sock, but a wind slayer. I'll show you what it looks like once it's mounted. This is a 7 black, by the way. I had an 8, and I actually like how the 7 works better. The 8 is nice too. It has a clearer picture, but the 7, I mean, if it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? And I got the 8 as a gift, and then I ended up just letting it go, which, you know, was no skin off my back. So don't need a bunch. Now, it's if you're like on a track or something and you want more GoPros, then that's good to have. But I didn't go on any track except for the Nürburgring when I was in Germany. And also, by the way, I am no longer in Germany. I am in good old Hawaii. Or, let me see. It was good old Germany, but Hawaii is, I'll just say heavenly Hawaii. Because, check it out. Look at this. Really nice. Sunny, everything. All right, I'm going to show y'all how I mount this. So you undo this. Always clip it back in. That way you don't have to worry about looking for it. It'll always be with the head mount. So you want it facing this way. See it? The camera. Look at here. And then put this in here. There we go. See that? And you tighten it up. Just like that. Alright, and then it'll sit like this. So you put this over your head, then you can adjust it like this or like this, and then tighten it up more however you like it. And then when you get ready to start, you're gonna press the record button right there. So of course you see this one, it kind of doesn't fit because this one was for the 8, and instead of buying another one, I just kept it and put it for the 7. Works just as good. Barely hear any wind with it. It really kills the sound. Hence the name Wind Slayer. Or, yeah, they're finally focused. Got the new plate. Check it out. Right here. I don't care who sees my plate because you can't really steal someone else's identity unless, you know, you got that kind of power. Just switch my plates out, and then you can see that Hawaii now has a different style plate. I'll show you the different ones. All right, here's the plate that I have with the sailboat and the mountain view in the back. This is the one with the state bird. And this one is the one with the volcano, which is the nicest one. And lastly, the original plate with the custom 6 letters. Get to the beach area, check it out. Well, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. I'll catch y'all next time. All right, y'all.